Hello everyone, and thank you for listening to my informative presentation. Today I will be telling you about the waves that say hello in Holden Beach, North Carolina. Dear ocean, thank you for making us feel tiny, humbled, inspired, and salty all at once. So ever since I was a kid, I have vacationed to Holden Beach. I have also vacationed there every year in the month of July in my adult years. It has a very safe environment and good community, so I'm going to be telling you a little bit about that today. The three main points we will be covering in this presentation is family-oriented, safe environment, and plenty to do. The first topic we will cover is family-oriented. So if you've ever found yourself or your family looking for the perfect beach to go to but was worried about how family-oriented it is, this beach is perfect for you. This beach has a law prohibiting alcohol containers and open containers on the beach. And then they also scrape the stands every morning, so you don't have to worry about your child going to pick something up off the stand and maybe cause harm to them. All of the restaurants around have very vast amounts of kid menus to choose from. And they also have a lot of the local stores around do rental carts for your child or a baby car or sand toys. And then everyone at the Holden Beach sells some type of sunscreen for children. So you don't have to worry about your child, possibly getting sunburned or having no toys to play with while they're on the beach. The next topic we will be covering is a safe environment. So according to Area Vibes in Holden Beach, North Carolina, last updated in March of 2020, the percentage of crime in Holden Beach is only at 85%. So if you've ever been wondering, okay, so it's a very family oriented beach, but how safe is it? So Holden Beach is very safe for you and your family. So as mentioned before, Holden Beach, to get onto the beach, you do have to go across the bridge onto the island. There is only one bar on the actual island before you pass over to the bridge. So if you wanted to grab a drink or something, you would have to leave the beach, go across the bridge, and back onto the main island to go to any of the adult bars in Holden Beach. They also have a vast amount of pedestrian walk lights that are lit up at night, and they span the whole strip and part of the main island when you cross back over to the bridge. And then there is also police that patrol Holden Beach, the beach area at night. The next thing we'll be talking about is the plenty of activities to do at Holden Beach. So there is a lot of things according to the activities guide for Holden Beach, last updated in February of 2020. If you wanted to have a little bit of adult time and get away from the kids or something, the Holden Beach has tattoo parlors, piercing parlors. But if you did want to, do stuff with the kids, they also have public pools, a vast shopping centers. Um, they also have a public pool if you did want to get out of the salt water for a little bit and do something. They have that at Holden Beach as well. So concluding all of this said in the presentation, it is a very family-oriented beach. It has very good safe environment and there are plenty of activities to do there. So with everything being said, I bet you're planning your next trip and it's going to be to Holden Beach, North Carolina. I know I'm ready to go back, so I hope you guys are ready to too. And then this is just my biography or bibliography and citations. But thank you everybody for listening to my presentation. I hope I taught you a little bit about Holden Beach, North Carolina today.